All right, problem 2.7.11. Solve the following system by graphing. So you're going to first scroll down to the bottom underneath here, select the parabola tool for that first equation, and then we need to find our vertex here. Whichever method you want to use. This one doesn't look like it'd be too bad to do that completing the square thing, where you go half of this 2 is a 1. And now I have 1 squared, which is 1. I'm supposed to have a 5, so I got to add 4 more out here. So my vertex would be at the, remember how this goes? The opposite of that 1 would be a -1 and the same sign as that. So I put my vertex, anchor that after I've selected the parabola tool, -1, 4. And then I would look and see my y-intercepts at a 5, so I'd click my second point right there. -1, 4 for the vertex with a y-intercept of 5. Yeah, that. Oh, I went down. I did a -4. Something wasn't feeling right about the way that graphed. Let's try that again. -1, 4 with my second point right there at the y-intercept of 5. There we go. That seems better. Then my second, go down to the bottom, get the line tool, and just set 2 points around this line. I would suggest my y-intercept at 5 with a slope of 2, so up 2 over 1. Looks like there should be 2 solutions here. If you're using the graphing tool, the second one, I'm not sure, is this 2h? If I put a 2 in that first equation, 4 plus 4 plus, that doesn't seem like that would be on the equation. So I think if you're using the graphing tool there, your answers should be more clear than what my rough sketch is here, but follow the directions of what I just said for graphing it. If you do jump over to Desmos and do it, it also would be probably almost like cheating, I'll call it, using all available resources though, so that you could verify whether you were getting the correct answer. So on your graph, you could actually see a more accurate picture that was drawn by the computer specifically to match the 2 equations. I'm just putting it in my graphing calculator quick to see if I have more than just that one solution. Obviously the 5 worked because it did go through both of those, but I'm not 100% if there's a second point in there, or is it just glancing right off at the 5. So I'm actually on my graphing calculator trying to get a little better picture closer in there to make sure it doesn't actually go across more than once in there. Looks like it's hitting just, both of them are hitting right at the 5. But it's so close, it makes me nervous that there could be more than one point, but I don't think there is. So the solution there would be just use the graphing tool to graph it, is all you needed to do anyway, but that's how I would graph 2.7.11.